Hi. For today's Fun Fact Friday, I want to show you how you can integrate Google Keep with Google Docs. This is a new feature as of February 28th, so I'm excited to share it with you. If you don't know Google Keep yet, please check out the video I made a few months ago about Google Keep. It's a fantastic tool for organization and productivity. In order to demonstrate this new integration, I'll be working with a document we've created to help our migration to Gmail. Because there have been a lot of documents created for this project, I've been naming them all with the beginning using a bracket, Gmail bracket. It's a visual cue to help me find the documents I'm looking for a little bit easier. So I've searched for that in the search bar, and now I am going to be able to more quickly find the email that I'm looking for. The doc that I'm looking for. So I'm going to open up this one. This is going to be my demo that I'm using for this video. So now that the document is open, I'm going to open the Keep Notepad. So I'm going to be looking within the menu bar for Google Docs. I'm going to look for tools. You'll see there's a lot of tools here, and one of the best ones is this new Keep Notepad. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. You're going to learn that the light bulb is the Google Apps representation for the Keep app. So now I've got my notes open in this bar here to the right. So by itself, this is pretty cool alone, just having this, especially if you are already a Keep fanatic like myself. However, there is full integration here. So observe. Let's look at this note in particular. It's called Gmail Training. This is actually a note that a colleague took on her phone during a training that I recently gave. I asked her to take notes on the things that needed to be adjusted, and she did so in Keep, just quickly typing up on her phone. Then she shared the note with me, so now it's in my Keep. And all I have to do is press the three dots that represent more actions within the Google Suite. And I'm just going to press Add to Document. So here it is, where it added here and followed the formatting of the text where my cursor was when I pressed it. But just notice how simple it is. Now I've got her notes right in my document, and I can modify them as needed based on the format, and I can make the content match the rest of the content of the document. But it's a pretty powerful tool right there. And it also works in reverse. So let's say that I had this information here. There's actually two ways to put this into Keep. The first I'm going to show you is the right-click method, which on a Mac you would use control. You would use the control click, and I'm going to hit Save to Keep Notepad. And it's just automatically put in as this note here you can see now to the right. But I can also, let me just delete this so it doesn't stay in there. I can also do something else, which is highlight and copy and now paste it into the note. And what I like about that method is that this automatically links back to my original document. So it kind of keeps me anchored into the document that I took it from. So as I worked with these new features over the last few days, I immediately thought of the index cards that I used to have to make as a student when I was doing research for school papers. And I feel like this looks like a great and contemporary version of the same skill set. The Keep Pad simply becomes the stack of note cards, but I'm really sure that that's just the beginning of the ways that this could be easily integrated into any content area. And students can also have Keep accounts. So just consider the different ways you could use this and investigate Keep a little bit more. I hope that was helpful.